Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sanjida Begum. I am student of HEXA'S AMBARKHANA. My batch number is 2447. I joined the HEXA'S AMBARKHANA about 1 month ago. Today I would like to talk about my experience in HEXA'S AMBARKHANA. My experience is too much good. My class starts from 18 August. My class teacher name is MD Fahim Ahmed. Sir always very helpful and sir explains us very well. And sir always check our homework. The class environment is very good. I try to clap every day because my speaking improve a lot because of the club. And there are many other type of facilities in HEXA'S AMBARKHANA. Our CEO sir is very funny and very kindful person. And the education here is very good. So for me, HEXA'S AMBARKHANA is good all expectation.